All right, we're trying to put these hood struts on this 1997 Rav4 that we have here. These are the instructions that came with it. Not very detailed, no words. It's not showing you where to mount it, but it looks like it was using this hole above the hinge. There's a hole there. So I snuck a carriage bolt through the gap here, fed it up, carriage bolt comes out right there. Threw a nut on it. It's secure, and just that one strut strong enough to hold the whole hood for now, but it comes straight down. It's not allowing the hood to close anymore, so maybe it wants to borrow the top bolt there, although that bolt, so the bolt that I took out of there has this flange on it so that it properly seats that bracket, and of course that flange does not sit flush in here. Okay, so I moved it. I had to elongate the hole right there for that bolt. I moved it to that position. By the way, this isn't as pictured. When you buy it, it looks like there's a ball down here on this end. There's not. There's just this little screw, and it comes loose very easily. I put some blue Loctite on there, so hopefully it's going to hold it. So now I definitely need to put both of them in, but it closes. All right, so with a little modification, it will work. Do I wish the quality was a little better as far as the hardware? Sure. Make sure everything's tight, because this arrived loose here. This one arrived loose up here, so make sure all of your hardware is tight. Okay, but the fit is good. Just to fix it to the top bolt there on the hinges. As you see, my hood bar is not up right now holding the hood. The struts are. This thing falls down into that hole, and it's dangerous if you knock it while you're working on the hood. So there you go. Now you have struts on your Rav4 hood.